What's up, guys? Welcome back to another daily trade recap. Today we are recapping Asia session and the one trade I took for a $500 profit. So yeah, let's get straight into it. All right, boom. 4 hour time frame. What are we looking at? Well, to be honest here, we are in a tiny bit of a downtrend. We're creating lower lows, creating these lows, but I still want longs. Why do I want longs? Well, we have one, two, three, four different wicks that tried to take this 4 hour gap, and the lowest wick being this wick, leaving high resistance liquidity right here. So we have this high resistance liquidity in this 4 hour gap. So I'm thinking that price wants to go higher. If I look at the 1 hour, what do I still see? Well, we're still making equal body closes at this 1 hour gap, which is indicating a reversal. So yeah, I want to see longs. We have confluence longs. On the 5 minute, we have low resistance liquidity leading up. I think it's also on the 15. Yeah, there we go. All right, boom. Market opens. What am I seeing? I'm marking out this new 15-minute gap because maybe I want to take a 15-minute con trade, right? So boom, price opens, play out a little bit. We leave this 15-minute gap here. We have some 15-minute gap right down here. What I want to see is I want to see some sort of either tap into this 15-minute gap or price kind of goes up a little bit, not too much, sets this 15-minute gap, taps back into it, and goes higher, right? So that's what I wanted to see. I let price play a little bit more. A little bit of a bearish candle there, right? So kind of chopping around. At this point, I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame. What am I seeing? This 5 minute gap, also with this 15-minute gap. So this 15-minute gap is going to get created pretty soon with this 5 minute gap. So if it taps into either one and we get a good, we have a good change state delivery or good inversion, I'm taking this trade 10 times out of 10 times, right? So let price play out. Okay, what do we get here? Well, we have a 1 minute gap and we have a strong displacing candle. Why did I not enter at the end of the 1 minute? Well, if you look on the 30-second time frame, I don't have it on this, but I do have it on my TradingView chart right here. If you look at the 30-second time frame, what do we see? We strongly close two 30-second gaps inside this 1 minute gap. And so I knew that was enough confluence to get a little bit of better entry, maybe a little bit better RR. We're going to break even at the top of this leg here in case we get a reversal, right? And then we hit in two candles. So pretty easy day, nothing too crazy. Just a good 5 minute cont trade. That's the model, less than A+ version of the model. Only reason why I didn't wait for this untapped 15-minute gap to get filled was because of how strong this inversion was on the 30-second and the 1 minute. So I wasn't really worrying about price reversing back down all the way down. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good day.